This is your boy Clean Touch. So in today's video, I'm going to be remaking a wig that has already been trimmed before. And guys, let's not even lie, this is not easy because it takes a whole lot of time and you have to be very careful with it. I'm starting out with arranging my frontal. The customer stated that she wants her wig to be glueless. She wants it to be in a way that when she just puts it on, she can just wear it and move, you know. She does not want stress, so I'm going to be just arranging the frontal and just watch the way I'm going to be arranging it. And after the arrangement, I will be sewing it. And mind you, when arranging, you see that you can use your T-pin or you can use an office pin like what I did here. So I'm going to be sewing and making sure that my sewing is completely neat, because some customers can be very funny. They can go as far as checking your sewing method. So as you can see here, I will be using my tape to measure the hair before bringing it out, and I'll be sewing the hair exactly the way it came. So the length of the first strap is around 5 inches long, so I'll be taking it out with the help of my assistant. So when remaking wigs like this, another thing we have to pay attention to is the size of the wig cap. Wig cap comes in 3 different sizes. We have the small, we have the medium, and we have the large. So make sure that you're using exactly the same size of the wig cap that the old wig came with, so that you don't have any issues. Because if you use a big size wig cap and while your customer's wig cap is small, so what that means is we're just wasting time with measuring, so all those measurements won't work. Another important factor is the spacing. So you want to make sure that you don't give too much space before you move to the next line, and also you want to make sure that you don't give too little space or too small space. So like I said, we're going to be sewing exactly the same way the wig comes in the previous wig. So that's just what I'm doing here. So guys, we are done with sewing the wig. As you can see here, we have little or no hair to trim. Like the hair came out exactly how it was in the previous wig. So I'm going to be removing this part of the wig because the customer said she didn't like it. Before trimming the hair, you have to blow dry the hair completely. So when you finish with the first phase of trimming the wig, so the next thing you want to do is remove those excess hair at the back. First, you have to bend your wig forward to enable you do the trimming. So this is the final phase of the wig, guys. Tell me, what do you think about it? And don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you very much for your time, and thanks for watching here.